Sweaty bag of dicks. You know what I mean? Sweaty bag of dicks. Currently jacking a 5.0 up so that Zach and I can install a Barton Hybrid 3 shifter. Now we've done what? MGW and one Barton. But the Barton that we installed was used, so it was already built, it was already assembled, so we get to assemble this one from scratch.
He also said he wants all the springs in it.
All the spring. All the spring. So this shall be interesting.
Once you have your car lifted up on jack stands, you want to remove the exhaust. We found it easier to take the cat back off the car, and after that you're going to loosen the rear transmission mounts to have easier access to the shifter. So to take it off, you're going to start popping off at the back. If it's your first time doing this, this will be a pain in the butt.
Easiest thing is to take your trim removal tool, slide it under. I started at the front and worked my way back, and then I gave pressure to the back while pulling up on it.
You can see now how this piece separates from the bottom piece, and then this is going to pop off here, and then this should come out in one piece.
In my nose. In there.
You're clear there, just the shifter. Parker's undoing the reverse lockout right now.
Maybe.
Or trying to. Once the reverse lockout is off, instead of taking the shifter boot off, that'll be the next easiest thing to do. Gabe's here! Yay! With a laptop for what? While the instructions from Barton and their video listed below are fairly accurate, there's one crucial piece that they did miss, and you're about to see what that is.
Alright, so the collar that is right here carries two positions. If you notice here, there's a cutout on this side, and then if you come to over here, there's a block. That block is designed so you can not go into reverse by just pulling over. So you'll be able to push down and then go in reverse. If you flip this the other way, you're gonna be as you were with the factory shifter, pulling up. But with this shifter, you only have the ability to push down and go into reverse.
It's gotta be a 21, is that what it is?
Well, if it's not 19, it's gonna be a 20. Because it's our life.
How tight is it, Zach?
Nah, it's tighter than the last girlfriend.
So now, if you're looking at the shifter here, you have to push down to get into reverse. And then it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Oh, this is tight. Oh. And then again to go down, you go get a push over. Oh yeah. He's gonna enjoy this.
Papi chulo!
Oh, sorry.
You're good, you're good.
So now, these fellers going to put the exhaust back on, take it for a spin.
replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need